Hello, this is Tom Martin here, showing around of the blizzard of 2015, Newburyport, Massachusetts. Pretty crazy storm here. You can tell it's still snowing. You got street covered in snow, snowbanks still being produced, got the plow coming, and then the snow is being recreated back in the car, Toyota Camry GMC, 2011 Camry. I might go over there as soon as the plow goes by, and maybe show, because over there, the impact from a snowbank that some guy in a Ford F-150 crashed into. Hopefully the camera can see this shit. I want to make sure I can fucking see. I got a couple of seconds before the plow comes back. So right here, shit. I don't know if I can see, but right around here is a snowbank. You can see it lines up. Right here is where the Ford F-150 crashed and hit. He spun out. It was on four-wheel drive, tried to reverse, and it couldn't get out. So these guys had to shovel it out. I don't want to fuck back in. Yeah, sorry, the boat covered four winds, 2004. About like maybe 18 to 22 inches of snow, maybe 2 feet, I don't even know. Snow drift and stuff. Besides, still snowing really hard, and it's freezing out. Jesus fucking Christ. Shit. Oh my god, 16 degrees too. Tomorrow I'll have an aftermath, maybe in the rest.